Hello everyone! On today's episode of Get Smart with Swap Smart, we will be teaching you how to hard reset your Samsung Galaxy S7 Edge. Before we begin, make sure your device is powered off by pressing the power button. To hard reset your device, we will need to press the volume up button, home button, and power button. First, hold the volume up button. Now, the home button. And finally, the power button until the blue screen appears. Once the blue screen appears, wait until the Android recovery screen pops up. This can take up to 1 minute, so be patient. When the Android recovery screen appears, use the volume down button to navigate to Wipe Data Factory Reset and press the power button to select. Navigate to Yes by pressing the volume down button and Confirm by pressing the power button. Wait for the factory reset to complete and you're done. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, or leave a comment. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you for watching. Until next time.